Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I will show you how to block Facebook profile. Write if my solution helped you, and if you managed to do it on your phone or tablet. And if you still have any questions, please write below in the comments. I will read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Let's get started. Go with you to Facebook. Then in the bottom right corner, open the menu. Choose the profile where we want to lock it. Then I click in the upper right corner settings and privacy. Here we scroll down and find the tab called Profile Locking. And then here we click Lock Your Profile. It goes like this. Download. You need to wait a little bit. As you can see, it says you locked your profile. Click OK. And now we were able to lock our Facebook profile. Write whether my solution helped you and whether you were able to do it on your phone or tablet, or on any other device. If you have any questions, let me know below in the comments, and I will be sure to answer. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, put likes. Goodbye.